To my Christian friends in Indiana, Michigan, Illinois, Chicago, New York, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Washington, D.C., Virginia, Maryland, Florida, Tennessee, the Midwest, Alabama, Utah, West Virginia, Wyoming, Nevada, California, of course, Wisconsin, Ohio, Minnesota, Texas, Georgia. We have to be people of truth. Grace and truth. Grace is first and then truth, but never diminishing truth. Prioritizing grace, but never diminishing truth. So we have to be truthful. All right? And I love you. And the only ones I love more than you are your children. I love your children so much more than I love you. But I love you. But not as much as I love your children. I'm doing all this for them. And this is also good for you. So, change course. Shub, metanoia, epistrepho. Turn, return, repent. It might come across as something else, but I want you to know this is a ministry of mercy. This is a ministry of mercy. And I conducted a seminar, or maybe a couple of seminars or some seminars on that with you and your church. So this is a ministry of mercy, and what I'm doing is a ministry of mercy to your children. I love you all. I really love you all. And again, I'm sorry, but love you all. Bye.